Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Yes, I'm stuck with you.
Let's start. First, take a screenshot off your keyboard. Now open Pixart. Tap on plus icon and go to edit a photo. Add a screenshot. Go to tools and crop a photo. Now go to draw. Tap on color and then tap on color identifying tool. Now zoom the photo and erase the alphabets. Now go to add a photo and choose the keyboard. Now crop alphabet you want. Now place this on keyboard. Now crop and add 2 more alphabet you want. Now go to crop and in screen record your cropping part. Save the screen recording and then open Capcut. Go to New Project. Add your screen recording. Select Format 9:16. Delete the end part. Adjust video to full screen. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now, increase the speed of video and adjust according to audio. Now, freeze the end part of the video. Set it according to the audio. Now, go to Overlay and add photo or video. Adjust and place on first alphabet. Now, go to Mask and tap on Rectangle. Now, adjust accordingly. Now add another, and repeat the process for other 2. Now adjust length of photos. Now apply animation on photos. Go to Animation, then In, and apply Fade in effect. Set duration of effect to 2 seconds. On second photo, 2.5 second, and on third 3 seconds. Now, check the video and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.